We got this Honda in today for headlight restoration. You can see the lights are pretty foggy. It seems like I just did a job just like this yesterday, or day before yesterday, 2 days ago. Same lights and everything.
Alright, hey, I'm here with Excellency. I got my headlights done. They did the headlight restoration. Went from completely cloudy to sparkling clear. Definitely recommend them for any jobs you need on your car.
This is the after of the Honda for the headlight restoration. They were too far gone to get them 100%, but they look a whole lot better.
Excellency Auto Beauty.
Excellency Auto Beauty.